I am at Tradex in Abbotsford for Glow, which is a Christmas celebration of lights on Boxing Day, which is December 26th.
As you enter Glow Abbotsford, you receive a Santa Sleigh adventure pamphlet. Clearly, Santa reindeer have gone missing, and he needs your help to save Christmas. Once you find a reindeer, ask Santa assistant to mark it on your card, find all six, and win a prize. We are looking for stamps for Prancer, Donner, Dasher, Blitzen, Vixen, and Rudolph. Please come join us to see if you can find them all in this video. One of the first displays you see we're going to though is Santa Exhausted from the Turning Around the World. This is a wheelchair accessible event. Glow Abbotsford organized this outfit. Lots of thought and details in all the displays. This is neat for young people. Even I felt like a child going through each one of the displays, seeing the really neat. This is ornament, the trees, it's very beautiful inside. They even have some ornaments that have steam coming out of it. I just had to show you the real fine details that they have put into these giant displays. Now we're going through the light cabinets. How beautiful is this? And I get to show myself coming through the light cabinet. We come up to the end and come to the other side of the carriage. I want to pose like you. And you can see the sailboat, the dolphin display. You can see the steam that they've used to make it feel like it's in the sea with some fog. Very nicely done. Here's one of the displays that was very well put together. There's a train with a lot of boxes of gifts and some have come outside the train and fell out to the outside train. I love how it's red, and it's one of my favorite colors, and yellow. Showing you the presents. And you have the booth coming up that very shortly, where you can go in, take photos in. The let's go with another overview. Look how beautiful that is with the engine. We are now with the secondary portion of the scene display, and this is another train, and it looks like it's flying up into the air. We're coming up to a tree made by presents and lights. And it's one of the major features that has the advertisement of glow, one of many in the building. And you can see all the presents going up the tree, the star at the top. Very, very, very nicely done. We're coming up to the stage area where you and your family can sit and have a drink, have food, enjoy each other's company. We're coming up to this giant present, which I really liked, because I was able to walk through it. As there's music playing throughout the whole building, at every moment you're going through it, you have the ability, you can dance to it if it's a good tune. This is the glowing light seat area, and even I had to try it as well. I had to be the big kid at this point as well. You'll see this in a few moments. When you're tired, you can go to the market. And the kids can play on the playground that is set in the back of this particular area, right there. I wish everybody peace, love, and joy this Christmas season. When you're walking through Glow Abbotsford, you do see characters, mostly princesses from Disney. I believe this is Belle and Cinderella. I had to take a photo as I felt like I was a Disneyland. As we take a look at Frosty the Snowman, what a big display. That must have took a long time to do. Just to remind you, if you'd like to go to Glow next year, always try to get your tickets early, as they have limited space at certain times of day in between December and January. So please get your tickets early if you'd like to see Glow. And they do change displays every single year from what I can tell. Before Christmas, you can see Santa in that particular chair. Because I came one day late, he's already gone back in the North Pole. The prize for finding all the reindeer stations was a candy cane. Thank you for watching. Please go to my other links so you can see my other videos.